The bar for online retailers keeps getting higher as e-commerce giants make same-day shipping a standard offering. Rising SKU counts and widely varying order profiles are also becoming the norm. To compete in this increasingly complex environment, fulfillment centers must deploy the same technologies utilized by major e-tailers. Among these tools, Intelligrated put walls have proven indispensable in both e-commerce and store fulfillment workflows. Put walls can be integrated into virtually any upstream picking scenario to enable accurate and efficient order consolidation at the end of that process. With operators or associates focused on picking and order consolidation happening at the put wall, retailers can significantly increase order accuracy and throughput rates. Let's look at some examples where upstream picking processes drive to the put wall. Batch pick to tote. Pickers make multiple stops to fill totes with mixed items. Bulk pick of cases. The picking process delivers case quantities of the same item. Cluster cart picking. Pickers utilize mobile carts to pick multiple batch totes in a single pass. In each scenario, the process ends at the put wall, where operators are directed by lights to place each item into a cubby that represents a customer or store replenishment order. On the back side of the put wall, operators simply pack out the completed orders for shipment to the customer or retail store. To help retailers respond to fluctuations in product and order profiles, Intelligrated has developed configurable put wall technology. Not only can end users change the physical sizes of put wall cubbies, they can also easily program the corresponding light configurations. So, if you're ready to put order consolidation challenges to rest once and for all, put Intelligrated put walls to work in your facility.